Hello guys, welcome back to the How To channel, and today we have the letter Y for Yankee, Y for yellow, Y for York. So let's get into it now. To make our Y better, we're going to need a loom. We're going to need one banner in our banner base color. We want two dyes in the banner base color, and we want two dyes in the color that we want our letter to become. Across to the loom, whack our banner in the loom, take our color dye, and what we want is we want the diagonal stripe going from top left to bottom right, which is that one there, and we can take it out, swap to our banner base color dye, and what we want is the 1/2 horizontal bottom stripe. Okay, swap that out, put our latest color dye in. Now what we want is the diagonal stripe top right, the bottom left, which is that one there. Swap it out, get our banner color dye, go all the way to the bottom and do our border one, and that's it. We are done. There you go, a white banner that you can use around your face. If you like the video, please give it a like and please subscribe to my How To channel.